The rounds of the soul. 23rd round in the divine will, the resurrection. Jesus, my divine conqueror, you now depart from limbo along with the whole host of the souls of all the just, and proceed to the sepulchre to conquer death by making your most sacred humanity rise from the dead. What a solemn moment it is. I therefore place my I love you upon the sepulchre in your act of rising from the dead. I place my I love you also upon the light and glory that surround your risen body to implore the resurrection of the divine will within the human will. May we all resurrect in you, or do you not wish to grant me what I ask and that you have deposited within yourself? Whence I entreat you, by virtue of your resurrection, to breathe upon every soul and, by means of your omnipotent breath, to draw to yourself the human will, whereby your divine will may resurrect glorious and victorious, within the human will. O my Jesus, after rising from the dead, you do not, immediately, go to heaven. Your choosing to remain with your children on earth for no less than 40 days is the confirmation that you will indeed establish the kingdom of your divine will on earth. Wherefore, I shall not leave you, but will follow you step by step with my, I love you, as you appear in your risen state to your mother. And by virtue of the joy you share, I entreat you along with the sovereign queen to grant us, the kingdom of, your fiat. My I love you accompanies you as you appear to, Mary, Magdalene and to the apostles to beseech you to make your divine will known to priests, so that as new apostles, they may make it known to all the world.